Hey guys, it's Pauline again. So I realized that I have two stamp sets that I already have. I bought them twice. So I thought this would be a good time. I haven't done a giveaway in a long time. So what I'm going to do is on Friday, I am going to pull two names. So this one is a Christine Heron one. Her company is Everyday Explorers, and I cannot believe I bought this twice because I fussed so much about the price because it's like $20, and then you have to you have to pay shipping. So it ended up being like $25, and I fussed and fussed about it, and I uh, ended up buying it twice. So, but anyway, my loss is your gain. So, I really like this one. It's super cute, and so let me show you what all comes on it. So, I will be giving that one away. So, that is the Christine Heron one. And then this one, I just got this one. So this is Kelly Parkey, and it's all about staying home and that kind of thing. Let's see if I can find something. Put a backing on it so we can see. All right, so you can see what it looks like. And this one is a little bit cheaper. It was $17.99. So, and this one does not come with the stamp sleeve. It just comes in a clear plastic baggie. This one does come with the stamp sleeve. So, what I'm going to ask you to do is subscribe, and please like the video. And in the comments, just put which one you'd, if you win, which one you'd want first. Like, put your first choice. Like, if your first choice is Christine Heron, just put number one, Christine. Uh, or if your first choice is the Kelly Parker one, just put number one, Kelly. And then put your second one. Like, if your second one is Christine, put two, Christine. Now, if there's one you don't even want, then, only put one choice. All right. And then I will do the drawing. No, let's do it Friday night. And probably around 6 or 7 o'clock Eastern. So, but I will let you know that it's closed. All right. I will talk to you guys later. I think that's it. Oh, only U.S. Sorry. Because I don't know about shipping and all that. So, U.S. only. And you have to be 18. I think that's it. Okay, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.